The scorpion push-up is a bit of a fun exercise and a bit of a combination exercise. So there's a little bit of coordination involved, but stick with it and hopefully you'll figure it out. It does take a little bit of time though. So the scorpion move starts in a downward dog position, and I'll talk you through the rest as we go. So here's your downward dog position. So shoulders open, hips engaged, knees nice and straight, and then you're going to take one leg and reach it round behind you. Okay, so here's your scorpion position, and then we're going to turn that into a push-up. So keeping the leg there, leaning forwards, and then coming down to the ground, chest down, rolling down, foot down, arching up, and then rolling back into the downward dog. Again, so I'll do the same side. Right leg comes up, engages the butt, reaches behind. You're getting a nice stretch going on through the top side. Then shifting forwards, so you're leaning into the knuckles, protracting, coming down, chest goes down to the ground, hips down, rolling in that arching position up into a downward dog. So that's the basic version. Obviously you can go both sides. So you can go left side, left side, or you can stick with one side, totally up to you. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, then I'll take a breath. Okay. Then you can go into a more challenging variation, which is basically the same thing, but leaning so far forwards that your feet start to lift off the ground. So the more advanced variation is the same thing, but starting to float your feet off the ground. This one is better done with a little bit of momentum, not so much that you crash out and burn, but just a little bit to lean you further forwards into the movement. So it looks like this. Again. So there you go. That's the scorpion push-up.